What's up, everybody? Okay, so tomorrow eBay is having a webinar showing how to use promotions and marketing tools. So this is something that I have been meaning to get into for a long time. You can market your items on eBay to push them to produce sales. I know that this can be combined with bulk somehow to produce more sales with bulk. I have never taken the time to learn more about this and understand how to use it properly. So tomorrow I'm going to watch this webinar, and then after I watch this webinar, I'm going to do a video to you guys summarizing what I learned from the webinar. The webinar is tomorrow between 10 and 11 a.m. my time. I don't know what time that is to you guys. But you can, just join it. You have to register, I think. But basically, you just watch. It's kind of like a Skype call, except there's a bunch of people who can be watching the Skype call, and they can't talk. Like, I don't really understand. I'm pretty sure we can't talk. We just watch as they do, like, a video, right? So, yeah, this is just kind of an announcement, letting you guys know that this is something that I'm looking more into, and I will be doing more videos showing you guys absolutely everything that I'm learning about eBay promotions and marketing tools. All right, guys. See you next time. Ciao.